Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to remove background from any photo on iPhone just in simple steps. So, let's dive in. First, open the Photos app and pick the picture you want to edit. I'll use this one as an example. I want to remove the entire background and keep only the subject. If you're on iOS 16 or later, this feature is built in. Just press and hold on the person or object in the photo. It usually works for people, pets, and most clear subjects. When the subject lifts out, you'll see a few options. You can tap Copy, then open Notes, Messages, or another app and paste it directly. It will paste the image without the background. But if you want to save it as a separate PNG file, hold on the subject again. Tap the Share button and choose Save Image. Now go back to your Photos app. You'll see the new image saved with no background. You can open it, share it, or use it anywhere you want. And that's it. You just remove the background from a photo in seconds.